Today, we are going to draw a jellyfish. Do you have your crayons ready? If not, you can find everything you need in the video description. Let's start. First, we draw the jellyfish's head. It's super easy. Now, let's add the eyes and a tiny mouth. So cute! Next, we draw the tentacles. Make them long and wiggly. Awesome! Now it's time to color our jellyfish. You can use any colors you like. Jellyfish don't have brains or hearts, but they have lived in the ocean for millions of years. See you soon!